Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette. J'adore le Nouveau Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So this look is pretty fun. We've got the greens, we've got the purples, we've got the oranges, and it's super easy. So with that said, let's move on to the unboxing and swatching. Oh no. Oh. Ah! Wings. The wings are shredded. Ew. And now it's all over. No. It's so pretty, but it's so ugly. How sad is that? But I am tapping it here so it's more packed and it's not loose like earlier. Hopefully this will stay. But this is how the shade looks like. Oh, so pretty though, for sure. Watching Io, Belle, and of course the beautiful purple Wisteria. This is how the shades look like. This is so creamy, you guys. I love how all four of these shades swatch. Like even the purple one, it was super smooth. I was like, dang. Next is Lily, and then Hope, and of course Paloma, which is a matte, and Fleur, which is a very light pinky, whatever, brown, I don't know. But this is how it looks like, and all four of these swatch really great too, especially Lily and Hope. Oh my goodness, these metallics, oh, it's so nice. And even these two mattes swatch are very wonderful. I totally forgot how awesome ABH is. Girl, you rock. And then next we have Liberty, Peacock, Metro, and the last dark one, Muse. This is how the four looks like. And I just want to say that Liberty, that thing did not swatch good. It was like, what the heck? But the other three was very well and very pigmented, especially this one. It's shimmer. I was like, oh, it's shimmer, but it was like matte. But yeah, this clip right here is on my phone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks like with different types of devices. The first one was my camera, but this is a picture with my phone. I have already applied my eye primer. I always apply the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour primer. And I will be setting that primer with the shade Paloma, which is a beautiful matte cream. I love this shade so much. Oops, that was a little too much. But good to know that it's very potent. I just think a matte cream shade like this needs to be in every palette. Next, I'll be using a Fleur for the inner half of my crease. This shade in person, it looks more like a cream tan brown. I have no clue why it looks way more pink than it does in the pan, but nevertheless it matches the name Fleur because flower is pink, right? Next, I'm gonna use Metro, which is a darker version of Fleur and definitely more vavoom. So my gosh, you guys, look at that shade. This color is so pigmented, holy moly. And this was like a one tap in the pan. It's like, holy moly, jeez. Ooh. Next, I'm going to dip into Wings, my broken eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Builder 3 by Sonia G. Let's see how it looks like with a brush first. Personally, I love placing these shades for my lid with a brush first, and this brush definitely acts like your finger, but better because your finger have nails and it might be dirty and you don't want to put it on your lids, but you end up putting your finger on your lids anyway. Okay, now I just want to see if I use my finger, how more vavoom it's gonna be. Alright, okay, let's go. Yep, that's definitely more crazy. Okay, now I am gonna go back to this brush, my blending brush, and just soften that. Now I'm gonna dip into Isle for the brow bone and the inner corner. And I will be using the Sonia G flat definer brush. Jeez Louise. I really want to play around with wisteria, but I don't know where to put it, and I'm afraid it would be too much. I'm gonna try that in the lower lash line, and we will hope for the best. I will be using the Shikuhodo pencil brush. Well, that is how it looks like. Oh my lordy. I look like spring. Okay, so now, what do I do? What should I do next? Should I dip into Muse? Is that too dark? No, I think we need darkness. Liberty? Let's try Liberty. I don't know. Okay, let's try Liberty. Oh, you know what? I like Liberty on there. I think I am really liking the Liberty here because it gives my outer corner a little bit more depth. Alright, that was a good move. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting my eyeliner and my falsies on. I always use Stila liquid eyeliner and the Ardell Naked Lashes in 422. Okay, now the eyes are done. This is how it looks like with eyeliner and falsies. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush. I'm going to be using the Tartelette Blush in Bloom, my recent favorite, and I'm going to be using the shade Wild Rose. Everything just looks pink on my cheeks right now. I have no idea. I even mixed it with Petunia, and it still is not warm enough. Add it on a little bit more. Nope. Okay, now I'm going to be trying on the new Rare Beauty lipsticks and lip liner. I have the shade Lively. Alright guys, we are finished. We are done, and this is the result. I personally love how this turned out, and it was out of my comfort zone, but I did it, and I would totally wear this out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you are looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. This is a nice summer bright red look that anyone can do. Oh, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful